Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automatic reply in Gmail step by step. An automatic reply, also known as a vacation responder, automatically sends a reply to people who email you while you're away. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Gmail website. Then, sign in to your Google account. Once you're in Gmail, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then click See All Settings. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. Select Vacation Responder On. Next, choose the first day. If you want the auto reply to stop automatically, check Last Day and select an end date. Now, enter the subject for your automatic reply. Then, type your automatic reply message in the message box. If you want only people in your contacts to receive the automatic reply, check Only Send a Response to People in My Contacts. Once you're done, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes. Your automatic reply is now active. To turn it off later, return to the Vacation Responder section. Select Vacation Responder Off. Then click Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automatic reply in Gmail. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.